I know what it feels like to walk into a shop already doing the math in your head, wondering what you'll have to put back, wondering if the money is going to stretch until the end of this month. Not because you aren't working hard, but because no matter how hard you work, it still feels like you're just trying to keep your head above water. I remember I remember that feeling so well. And I remember that day I realized something had to change, everything for me. I didn't need to work harder. I needed another option. That's when I started looking into the online space. Not because I wanted to become an influencer, not because I knew anything about business, but because I was a parent working more than 15 hours a day who needed something I could build in the little pockets of time that I had left. I needed something beginner friendly, something that didn't require experience, something that came with support, so I didn't have to figure it all out on my own. And that one decision changed the direction of my life forever. So if you're watching this and quietly thinking something has to change, please know this: you don't have to figure it all out on your own before you begin. All you need is a place to start. Comment ready and I'll show you exactly where I got started as a complete beginner. Be blessed.